Today we have with us Marc Kermisch, Chief Information and Digital Officer, CNH Industrial, here in India Technology Center in Gurugram. Marc is at the helm of shaping the future of information technology and digital experiences through our advanced vehicles for our customers. Welcome, Marc, to India. So welcome, Marc, to India Technology Center once again. We had the privilege of having you here last year when we inaugurated this center, and we were just about probably under 100 people, engineers who had joined us from various places, and we were still not sure about what would be the future of this place. And now that you've come after 1.5 years almost, and there are, I think I can say, more than 600 people around us, what are the changes that you see over and above these 100 plus or 600 plus people that you see in the technology center?
Yeah. Well, thanks for having me. It's fabulous to be back here in India and at the ITC. The growth has just been fantastic, right? When I think about where we started from and we were feeling our way through what type of work and services and skill sets we needed, to now India Technology Center really provides a gamut of skill sets that covers all of our product development cycle, from helping with vehicle engineering and CAD drawing and virtualization and augmented reality, to building software that our farmers and construction operators use on the web or their mobile apps, to helping design the in-cab experience that every operator gets to use on a daily basis. India really now has their fingertips on almost every aspect of the products that we produce. And 18 months ago, we couldn't say that, right? So you think about how fast that occurred. It's been just an amazing story thus far.
That's great. I think that's pretty much a lot of growth we can imagine. So, as you said, we've grown a lot. Today, I think you had the privilege of meeting a lot of new employees, Gen Zs and Gen Ys, who are joining us from various places. So, what do you think are the things that attracts this generation to our technology center?
This generation is one of the most connected and digitally savvy generations that have ever come across our world. And I think there's really two things that get these generations excited. First and foremost is the purpose of the work they're doing. And so for an engineer to be able to come to work every day and know that they're helping feed the world and to build the world is a mission that they can get behind and that they believe in. And being able to walk out of work and be able to see our products in the streets of India, I think also provides them inspiration. The second piece is the kind of challenges they get to tackle. And so we've got real world problems from the first day they walk through our doors, be it if they're coming in as an intern or they're coming in as a fresher or they're coming in as an experienced engineer, where they're solving problems for our customers every day. They're advancing the technologies on our vehicles and they're helping build the vehicles of the future.
That's great. So Marc, we are aggressively hiring for Technology Center to work on various projects. What do you think is the talent in India brings to CNH globally in the R&D space specifically?
Yeah, so I think that there's a couple things that really come to mind about the talent we're seeing coming out of India. First and foremost is the energy level they bring to the job every day. Second is their willingness to collaborate. The culture really enables teams to solve problems and not just the individual by themselves. And so they're coming into an organization, an environment that they can help rely on their peers as well as help teach those peers new skills. When you think about the hard technical skills that we need, it's software engineering across the gamut of languages, everything from legacy technologies to the most modern cutting edge mobile apps, as well as looking at your mechanical, your hydraulic, your electric, as well as industrial design capabilities, cybersecurity capabilities. And so the way that we've grown the ITC is truly to be an integral part of anything that we're doing from a technology perspective. And so they can pick and choose their projects. If their passion is automating the back office, if their passion is helping build our next generation of electric vehicles, if their passion is building powertrains and transmissions, that skill set is something that we're looking for, and those projects are available for them to work on.
That's great. Thank you. So talking about our future plans, what are the cutting edge technologies that we are bringing through CNH Industrial to the rest of the global companies, and what kind of investments we are going to make from here?
So from a cutting edge technology, I think about artificial intelligence and machine learning, but what's unique about CNH is we're doing that on the edge. Right? So it's embedding those capabilities into our vehicles that are traveling all different types of environments across the world. being able to then extrapolate that data back to our core systems, and being able to analyze that data to produce insights for our customers, or our commercial teams, or our internal product development teams as we're developing new products and services. From a hardware perspective, it's really looking at all aspects of autonomy. And so it's leaning into vision-based development and artificial intelligence, so object recognition, object detection, object avoidance. It's using technologies like LiDAR to understand the environment to help guide a vehicle without the operator inside of it, all the way to flying vehicles, right? So looking at alternative forms to be able to enable farming or construction. So it might be leaning into drones to help survey a construction site or survey the health of a crop in a field, to alternative machine formats enabled with robotics that might enable picking or crop protection or other aspects of harvesting. And so from that perspective, we're also investing in all of the types of labs necessary to produce those types of products. So we've initiated a robotics lab, we have a hardware in the loop testing lab, we have a augmented reality, virtual reality lab to help collaboration and simulation during product development design cycles.
Well, that's a lot of stuff.
It's a lot of stuff. It's quite amazing.
Right. We are a large organization and people come from all types of backgrounds. You have different ethnicities, you have different nationalities, different languages, environments coming from different companies. So how important is diversity, you think, is for a corporation like us, especially women employees, of course, and people from various backgrounds, and what benefits does it bring?
You're absolutely right. It's honestly what attracted me to work at CNH and keeps me excited every day. If you start with our customer, right? Our customer is diverse. We have every ethnicity. We have men and women customers, men and women operators. We have every language being spoken around the world using our products. And the first thing a customer wants to be able to do is see themselves in CNH. And the best way they can do that is when they see our employees. Does the employee look like me? Do they talk like me? Do I see if I'm a woman? Do I see a woman designing my products? And are they product built for a woman operator? So those are the things to me that are the foundation of why diversity is important to CNH. But then you think about the collective experiences that we get and the collective output that we get and how that benefits from a diverse set of thinking and a diverse set of experiences. And so as we embrace the diversity of our world, our ideas get better, our outputs get better, and the solutions for our customers get better. And that is not only across different ethnicities, but specifically across the sexes, right? We need to have both men and women in our organization. And in fact, we have more and more women entering our engineering ranks, entering our manufacturing ranks, and most importantly, our leadership ranks. As they're not only an important aspect of our employee base, they're an important aspect of our customer base. At CNH, we're breaking new ground. We're breaking new ground for our farmers who are feeding the world and our construction operators who are building our world. The types of projects and initiatives that we have around CNH are vast. From building edge-based computing that helps autonomous vehicles run safely in our fields and on our roads, to building software that enables our farmers and operators to see how their vehicles are running and the productivity of their farms or the efficiencies that they're gaining on the construction site, to helping our back office drive efficiencies and insights into our business that help us build new products and services for our customers. CNH is truly a global company focused on servicing our customer by helping them break new ground every single day.
Thank you, Marc. Thank you very much for coming and joining us and all the words of wisdom that you have given us from your experience. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you for having me, and I can't wait to come back and see the growth and the change between now and then.